Hey, what's going on, weavers? Tim here again, and in today's video we will be learning how to tie a mandala knot and a few couple more variations of it. So a mandala is a geometric figure representing the universe in Hindu and Buddhist symbolism, which we can see in the circular nature of this knot. This is a really beautiful decorative knot that can make a lanyard knot, bracelet knot, and even a paracord keychain knot. So that being said, let's get into it. To start this one off, we're tying the smallest version. We do this by making an overhand knot with the red strand. Notice the running end going over the standing end. Then with the gray strand, we make another overhand knot going through the red overhand knot loop. Notice the running end going under the standing end. From there we gather both ends on both sides and cinch up the knot, and we have our small mandala knot. This knot is actually known as the true lover's knot, and that name does take precedence over it being called a small mandala knot. Next, we're doing the medium or standard version. We're going to start off once again by making an overhand knot with the red strand like before. But this time we're going to continue by bringing the running end around and over the standing end, and then through the back of the overhand knot loop. From there, make an overhand knot, like before with the gray, going through the red overhand knot loop. Then from there, pass the running end back through the red overhand knot loop, going under the standing gray end, and finally back through the gray knot loop. Gather both ends on both sides and gradually cinch it up to form that mandala knot. This one is a little bit trickier to cinch properly, so go nice and slow and make it nice and even. So now we've tied our standard size mandala knot. Now for the large version, once again, start off with an overhand knot with the red strand as before. This time I'm going to pass the standing end through the back of the overhand loop and bring it up top, and then pass it through the back of the loop to the front. Next, with the gray strand, we're going to make an overhand loop with the gray going through the red like before. Then we're going to double back with the running end going through the gray loop within the red loops and going under the standing end. From there, pass the running end through the gray loops one last time on the outside of the red loops this time. Then finally, cinch up the knot by working the slack out of the running ends very gradually. You'll have to shape and form this knot with your fingers to get the cords sitting right to keep the knot nice and circular. So there we have it, weavers, the mandala knot done in 3 different sizes. Try it out for yourself, would make a great lanyard knot and any other purposes you need it for. You could even stack these in a series and make a bracelet out of them. So that being said, a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters. If you want access to exclusive tutorials as well as our Discord server, feel free to check out my Patreon page, link in the video cards as well as down below. You can join for as little as $3 a month. You can also support this channel by liking the video and commenting. Also, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to check out what I have to offer on the rest of my channel.